How to sync customer data between Pipedrive and Google Sheets using n8n. Imagine this, guys. You walk into your office, coffee in the hand. Your Google Sheet already lists every new Pipedrive contact, updated in a real time, complete with name, company, deal status, and contact info. No exports, no CVS, no human error. This isn't magic. It's n8n automation done right. Today, you'll build a live sync engine between Pipedrive and Google Sheets, and by the end, you'll know exactly how every part of it works. No skip steps, no placeholder. Let's start the workflow. First, you have the cron node, the kickstart of the sync. As you can see, we'll sync every 10 minutes. Let's open it. We'll put here minutes. Every day, every minute. You can put to trigger time. Okay, and you have here every hour and 10 minutes. That is the cron settled. So the interval is 10 minutes, and wake up the automation to pull new data from Pipedrive regularly. And how often do you want Google Sheets to reflect new Pipedrive customer? This is every 10 minutes because manual syncing is for cavemen, guys. After that, you have the Pipedrive node to fetch all the contacts. Where does your customer truth live? In the Pipedrive. That's where every lead, contact, and deal is born. So let's open it. You have the resource person, limit 100, operation get many. So that is the Pipedrive settings. After this, you need a function node to normalize the data. So how do you make sure Pipedrive data look perfect for sheets? With the function node that normalizes the fields, flatten nested object, and structure everything cleanly. So the output will be the name, the email, the company, the phone, the owner, and the date where it was created. And finally, you have the Google Sheets. How do we make sure every contact from Pipedrive lands in Sheets correctly? You use the upsert pattern, the upsert rows. So here you have create or update, and this node will keep your Google Sheet fully in sync automatically, adding new Pipedrive contacts and updating the existing one every 10 minutes. So let's make the recap, guys. Your workflow now runs on autopilot. The cron node wakes the flow, the Pipedrive fetches all contacts, the function clean and flatten the data, and the Google Sheet upserts all the records. As a result, your CRM and spreadsheet are forever in sync with zero effort. That was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this and see you on the next video. Bye bye.